Easy peasy lemon squeezy! Hiragana master! Level 5 N line. Hiragana letters on N line are the combination of N sound and A, I, U, E, O. The sounds on N line are Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No, Nani, Nu, Ne, No. Let's learn each letter by associating it with some images, so it will be easy peasy to remember them. The first letter on N line is Na. Na. Na for banana tree and a monkey. The second letter is Ni. Ni. Ni for knee pad. The third letter is Nu. Nu. Nu for noodles, chopsticks, and an egg. The fourth letter is Ne. Ne. Ne for snail behind the nail. The last one is No. No. No for no entry sign. The hiragana letters on N line are Na for banana tree and a monkey, Ni for knee pad, Nu for noodles, chopsticks, and an egg, Ne for snail behind the nail, and No for no entry. Now the hiragana letters will fly in and out. Please look closely and find out which letter is flying. Nandesu? What is it? It is Ne for snail behind the nail. Nandesu? What is it? It is No for no entry. Nandesu? What is it? It is Ni for knee pad. Nandesu? What is it? It is Nu for noodles, chopsticks, and egg. Nandesu? What is it? It is Na for banana tree and a monkey. Now you're getting familiar with Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No. Let's enjoy the detective game. Here we go. It is Ni for knee pad. Next one. It is No for no entry. Next one. It is Na for banana tree and a monkey. Next one. It is Nu for noodles, chopsticks, and egg. Next one. It is Ne for snail behind the nail. Let's check again. Na for banana tree and monkey. Ni for knee pad. Nu for noodle, chopsticks, and egg. Ne for snail behind the nail. And no for no entry. Which one is ぬ? Which one is の? Which one is に? Which one is ね? Which one is な? How many hiragana no can you spot? There are 3. How many hiragana na can you spot? There are 4. How many hiragana nu can you spot? There are 3. How many ni can you spot? There are 2. How many ne can you spot? There are 5. Let's check again. Na for banana tree and monkey. Ni for knee pad. Nu for noodle, chopsticks and egg. Ne for snail behind the nail. And no for no entry. Now you can read some Japanese words. Let's try. The first word is cat. 何ですか? What is it? It is 猫. The next word is a dog. 何ですか? What is it? It is 犬. The next word is meat. 何ですか? What is it? It is 肉. The next word is a bag. 何ですか? What is it? It is 背中. Which one is 布? Cloth. Which one is たぬき? Tanuki, a raccoon. Which one is きつね? Kitsune, a fox. Which one is 魚? Fish. Please read this word. It is おにいさん. お兄さん, which means an older brother. Please read this word. It is おねえさん、お姉さん which means an older sister. Please read this word. It is かしこい犬、賢い犬 You clever dog. 賢い犬ですね。Let's get to the goal as quickly as you can by following the hiragana vowel line to end line in order. Try to go ahead of the rainbow line, please. Okay, let's have a go. Now let's write hiragana na, ni, nu, ne, no. Start with na for banana tree and monkey. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one is ni for knee pad. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The next one is nu for noodles, chopsticks, and an egg. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's write ne for snail behind the nail. 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's write no for no entry. 1, 1, 1. Now you can write na, ni, nu, ne, no.
すごいすごい
You've done the vowels A, S, T in lines, which means you've done half of the hiragana letters. すごい I hope you could enjoy learning hiragana today.
またね